Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today we have on our board question on ratio and proportions. Let's solve this question. We have two grades of tobacco grade X and tobacco grade Y. These two tobaccos are mixed in a certain ratio. When they were mixed at a certain ratio, they realized a profit of 20%. By realizing the profit of 20%, it translated to shilling 112% as their sales. Therefore, we need to get the ratio in which the tobacco grade X and the tobacco grade Y were mixed. Now, grade X of tobacco costs shilling 81.5 and grade Y costs shilling 109 per kg. In what ratio must the two grades be mixed in order to make a profit of 20%? Now, what you know is that we have tobacco. You have two grades. You have grade X costing shilling 81.5 per kg. You have grade Y costing shilling 109 per kg. Mixture of X and Y costs 112.8. Now, what does that mean? When these two grades were mixed at a certain ratio, this man he sold them at 112.8 shillings per kg. When he sold at this amount, he made a profit of 20%. Let's now do this. Let the ratio of X of grade X to grade Y, the ratio, let that ratio be ratio XY, let that ratio be ratio X to Y. Now, from there, how do we move on? We now narrow down. We mean grade X of tobacco was mixed, a certain ratio X of tobacco grade X was mixed with a certain ratio of tobacco grade Y. Now, we come down here, we say X out of the total amount, X plus Y multiplied by 81.5. Close the bracket plus Y out of into bracket X plus Y multiplied by 109. Now, when these two grades were mixed like this man made a profit of 20%. What does that mean? When we say a profit, we add. That means we add 20% to 100. So we know that for a percentage it is 120 over 100. In simpler terms, it is 1.2. Just multiplied by 1.2. When you made a profit of 20%, the sales translated to 112.8 shillings per kg. Now let's solve this arithmetic problem. It will be 81.5x out of X plus Y plus 109y out of X plus Y shall be equal to multiplied by the percentage increment. Then when you multiply by the percentage increment to the previous cells, now that will translate to the new amount that was sold, the new amount of shillings that was sold, the mixture per kg. That is 112.8 shillings per kg. Now, if we come here, let's multiply across this 81.5 times 1.2. That is 97.8x. 97.8x plus 1.2 times 109. 1.2 times 109. That is 130.8. 130.8y. Out of x plus y, out of x plus y is equals to 112.8. Now this problem, how can we solve? We have an equal sign. We have a new denominator. We just multiply across. Multiplying across by into bracket x plus y, we're going to get. We manually multiply. When we multiply across by the denominator, in this case is x plus y, we are going to get 97.8x plus 130.8y. that 0.8y equaling 1 total of 0.8x plus 1 total of 0.8y. Now we have the same 0.8x, we also have 1 total of 0.8x, we have 1 total of 0.8y, and that 0.8y. Let's now group the like terms together. How do you do this? You do this, let's bring this on top of 130.8y minus 1 total of 0.8y equaling 1 total of 0.8x subtracted from 97.8x as well again. Now what we get? Minus 1 total of 0.8. Here we get 18y equaling 1 total of 0.8 minus 97.8 is 15x. Now, when the teacher starts at that point, students mess up and they don't know how to solve such a problem to get the exact ratio. The first thing you do is you start multiplying the unknown. That is, you divide by y, you also divide by y. What do you get? You get 18 is equals to 15x out of y. Then you divide by the number itself, 15 over 15. Then it will be 18 out of 15 is equals to x over y. Now the ratio will be by 3 will be 6, by 3 is 5. The ratio of x to y is now 6 is to 5. I will say ratio x to ratio y will be 6 is to 5. If you want to prove this one, use this ratio, that is 6 to 5. Put it that ratio in this equation. This left hand side of the equation. Take this ratio, put it into this left hand side of this equation. If you don't get this value, this answer is wrong. And I hope that they're going to get this answer. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Hope you're going to follow our lecture series on daily basis. Thank you very much.